How's your day going?
Very good, thanks. How about yours?
Pretty great. Where are you from originally?
I'm from Canada. Toronto, actually.
Oh, nice. Are you new here in this city?
Yes, I just moved here last month.
Welcome. How are you finding it so far?
It's been exciting, but a bit overwhelming.
I totally understand. Do you speak English fluently?
Yes, but I'm still learning new expressions every day.
That's great. Practice makes perfect. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and one sister.
Nice family. What do you do for a living?
I'm a student right now, studying business.
Interesting. What year are you in?
I'm in my second year.
Do you have any evening plans tonight?
Not really. I'll probably just watch TV and relax.
Sounds peaceful. Do you meet up with friends often?
Yes, usually on weekends when everyone's free.
That's nice. Where do you usually hang out?
We visit parks for walking or just sit at coffee shops.
Coffee shops sound cozy. Do you go there every morning?
Yes, every morning before work. It's my routine.
I love that. Do you take photos when you're out?
Yes, I love photography. I'm always capturing moments.
That's a wonderful hobby. Do you travel often?
During holidays, yes, I try to explore new places.
How about weekend trips?
Sometimes I go to nearby places just to get away.
Sounds refreshing. What do you usually buy when you shop?
Mostly clothes and food, the essentials.
Do you have much free time during the week?
Little free time, honestly. Work keeps me busy.
Do you have to work overtime often?
Sometimes it's needed, especially near deadlines.
That sounds stressful. Do you take breaks during the day?
Short breaks, yes, just enough to recharge.
Do you usually meet your deadlines?
Yes, usually. I try to stay organized.
That's impressive. Do you ever feel rushed at work?
Often rushed, especially on busy days.
I can imagine. What are your weekend plans?
Just rest and relax, maybe catch up on sleep.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can make simple dishes.
That's good. Do you cook often?
Yes, every evening after work.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
I love making pasta and stir-fried vegetables.
Yum! Where do you usually eat lunch?
At the work cafeteria, it's convenient.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food. The hotter, the better.
Me too. What's your favorite restaurant?
There's an Italian restaurant downtown I really like.
Sounds delicious. Do you eat breakfast daily?
Yes, very important. I never skip it.
What do you usually have?
Usually toast, eggs, and coffee.
Do you like using social media?
Yes, I use Instagram mostly.
What do you post about?
Travel photos and food pictures mainly.
Cool. Do you watch YouTube often?
Yes, many videos, especially cooking tutorials.
I love YouTube too. Do you send emails often?
Yes, for work mostly, not personal emails much.
Makes sense. Do you play games on your phone?
Sometimes on my phone when I'm commuting.
What kind of games?
Puzzle games and word games mostly.
Do you have a computer at home?
Yes, at home. I use it for studying.
Do you use Wi-Fi everywhere?
Yes, at home and at coffee shops.
Why did you decide to learn English?
For a better job and more opportunities.
That's a great reason. Do you study daily?
Yes, about 1 hour every day.
That's dedicated. Do you watch English TV shows?
Yes, with subtitles. It helps a lot.
What shows do you watch?
Comedy shows and documentaries mainly.
Do you read English books?
Easy books, yes. I'm building my vocabulary.
That's smart. Do you practice speaking with friends?
Yes, with friends who are also learning.
Perfect. How do you feel about English grammar?
Sometimes it's hard, but I'm improving.
Do you feel like you're making progress?
Yes, definitely getting better every week.
Do you stay in hotels when you travel?
Yes, nice ones when I can afford them.
Do you take many photos on trips?
Yes, many photos. I want to remember everything.
How long are your typical trips?
Usually 1 week, sometimes longer.
Do you prefer traveling by plane?
Yes, I prefer flying. It's faster.
Makes sense for long distances. Any holiday plans coming up?
Yes, I'm going to Spain in the summer.
That sounds amazing. Do you pack heavy?
No, I pack light, just the essentials.
Smart. Do you have a travel budget?
Yes, I save for trips throughout the year.
Do you meet your friends often?
Every weekend, if possible.
Where do you usually meet?
At coffee shops or sometimes at someone's house.
Are your friends around the same age?
Yes, about the same age. We went to school together.
Do you share similar interests?
Yes, we like sports and watching movies.
What group activities do you do?
We play basketball together on weekends.
Fun. Do you trust your friends?
Yes, they're good friends, very reliable.
That's important. Do you ever feel lonely?
Not usually. I have good support.
Do you feel tired often?
After work, yes. It's exhausting some days.
Do you ever miss home?
Sometimes I miss home, especially family.
That's natural. Do you like your life here?
Yes, quite happy overall.
That's good to hear. Do you get nervous easily?
In new situations, yes, but I'm working on it.
What worries you the most?
Work deadlines mostly. The pressure can be intense.
How do you usually go to work?
I take the bus every morning.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't drive. Public transport is easier here.
Do you like driving?
No, I prefer the bus. I can relax or read.
Good point. Bus or train, which is better?
Train is faster, but bus is cheaper.
Is the traffic bad in the mornings?
Yes, in mornings especially. Very crowded.
Do you walk often?
Yes, for short distances. It's good exercise.
Do you watch TV regularly?
Yes, in the evening to unwind.
What's your favorite TV show?
I like comedy shows. They make me laugh.
Do you like movies?
Yes, especially action movies.
What are your weekend hobbies?
I like hiking and being outdoors.
That sounds healthy. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. I could eat it every day.
Do you have any career plans?
Yes, I want a promotion at work.
That's ambitious. Do you save money regularly?
Yes, every month I put some aside.
Good habit. Are you studying more to advance?
Yes, I take evening classes twice a week.
Impressive. Any marriage plans?
Not yet. Maybe in a few years.
Fair enough. Thinking of moving house?
Maybe next year to a bigger place.
Do you want to change jobs?
Not really. I'm happy where I am now.
What new skills do you want to learn?
Languages, especially Spanish and French.
Excellent goals. Planning to buy a car?
Yes, I'm saving for it now.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball twice a week.
Nice. How often do you exercise?
3 times a week at the gym.
That's consistent. Do you like music while exercising?
Yes, I love music. It keeps me motivated.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music mostly, upbeat songs.
Can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play guitar. I've been playing for 5 years.
Do you eat breakfast every morning?
Yes, every morning without fail.
What time do you start work?
I start at 10 a.m.
That's nice. Do you have lunch breaks?
Yes, at 2 p.m. for about 30 minutes.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 6 p.m. most days.
Do you have a garden at home?
A small garden, yes. I grow some herbs.
That's nice. Is your area quiet?
Yes, very quiet. Perfect for relaxing.
Do you have nice neighbors?
Yes, very friendly people.
What do you do in the evenings at home?
Watch TV or read books.
When do you do laundry?
Every weekend, usually on Saturday.
Do you like your home?
Yes, very much. It's comfortable.
What are your future goals for learning?
I want to study abroad someday.
Exciting. Do you use a dictionary often?
Yes, often when reading.
Do you take classes regularly?
Twice weekly, in the evenings.
Do you do homework every day?
Yes, every evening for about an hour.
Do you feel like you're making progress?
Yes, getting better each week.
Do you feel good today?
Yes, very good. It's been a great day.
Are you often stressed?
Sometimes stressed, but I manage it well.
What makes you happy?
Friends and family. Their support means everything.
Are you always busy?
Yes, very busy with work and studying.
What time do you wake up?
At 6 a.m. every day.
Early. Do you plan your day?
Yes, I make a schedule every morning.
What's your favorite store?
The bookstore downtown. I love browsing.
Do you use a credit card often?
Yes, most times for convenience.
Do you go shopping alone?
No, usually with friends. It's more fun.
When's the best time to shop?
Weekend mornings when it's less crowded.
Do you like shopping during sales?
Yes, good prices and great deals.
Do you ask questions when you don't understand?
Yes, when I don't understand something.
Do you do homework every evening?
Yes, every evening before bed.
Do you study in a group?
Sometimes, yes, it helps with difficult topics.
Do you ask your teacher for help?
Sometimes when I really need it.
Are you making good progress?
Yes, getting better every day.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and beautiful today.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I love summer. Perfect weather.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring best. Everything blooms.
Is it cold outside now?
No, it's warm and comfortable.
Does it rain often here?
Sometimes in spring, but not too much.
Do you have a good salary?
Yes, quite good for my position.
What are your future career plans?
I want a promotion to senior level.
Do you exercise often?
3 times a week at the gym.
When do you go to the gym?
Yes, after work usually.
What sports do you play?
Yes, I play basketball with friends.
Nice. Do you try to eat healthy?
I try to, yes. Lots of vegetables.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, about 7 hours every night.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, every morning with breakfast.
Do you feel tired during the day?
Sometimes, yes, especially after lunch.
Do you like running?
Yes, in the park on weekends.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, before work. It energizes me.
Do you have regular health checkups?
Once yearly with my doctor.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, an iPhone. I use it constantly.
What do you use it for most?
Messages, social media, and music.
Do you get angry easily?
Not very often. I'm pretty calm.
Do you feel happy most of the time?
Most times, yes. I'm generally positive.
Do you work hard?
Yes, very hard. I'm dedicated.
Do you help others when you can?
Yes, when possible. It feels good.
Do you make friends easily?
Yes, quite easily. I'm outgoing.
Do you like changes in your life?
Sometimes difficult, but I adapt.
Do you try to stay positive?
I try to, yes. Positive thinking helps.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, good friends from different places.
Who's your best friend?
My best friend from school. We're very close.
Do you like parties?
Small parties, yes. Big ones are overwhelming.
Do you meet new people often?
Yes, at work and social events.
Do you go to social events?
Sometimes when I have energy.
Do you do group activities?
Yes, with friends, sports and outings.
Are you close to your family?
Yes, very close. We talk every day.